Hello and welcome to my channel. So I see questions like, should I buy now? Should I wait? Should I wait till prices come down? Let me tell you something. We're dealing in a completely new space. This is crypto. Crypto is not the stock market. You need to understand that. Owning a crypto is owning a piece of the technology. You're not owning a stock. You're not owning a company. And this is why market cap has always been an issue for many people, because people use the knowledge of the past. Anyway, by the way, welcome to my channel. I forgot to welcome everybody. Thank you for subscribers going towards 9,500. I hope that by this month end we'll be at 10,000. But more than that is that my channel will bring value to you, my subscribers. And thank you for those who are members of the channel as well. If you are new to investing in crypto, please, I wrote a book for you, book 1 and 2. They're all in my description. Just go there, grab the first one, Crypto Made Easy. The second one is cryptocurrencies. The future of banking, finance, and value transfer is here. It'll do you well. Let me know what you think in the comments. When you have watched this video, make sure you watch it to the end. Okay, it won't be a long one. And so, should I buy? Should I wait? Should I? Particularly regarding XRP and so many of the other ISO cryptos, people worry about price and all of that. Let me explain something. Because of the principles that have been established based on trading in the stock market, people transfer those into crypto. Not all the principles, not all the ideology is transferable. Yes, you can read charts, like if you are reading stock charts and all of that. My wife used to be in stocks for a very long time, and she reads charts. Like I told you, she was the first one to tell me XRP was going to drop to $2.76 or 78, and she was right on the money. And then she said it will start going up from there and cross over $3 to about $3.05, and she was right. I said, man, I appreciate and thank you, God, that I have you by my side to do all this. I don't want to sit down looking at charts, but maybe I'll learn along the way. But you see, the point I want to make here today is with crypto. Particularly, let's talk about XRP or Algorand or any of them, XLM, any of the ISO coins. These are utility-based technological digital assets. They are scalable in nature. They are designed to move value. All right, they are designed to also hold value. That is tokenization. Algorand, for example, is for real estate. In my second book, I describe each and every one of these ISO coins and what they will be doing very briefly, so that you can have a snapshot of what is happening and make a decision as to where to invest. Not financial advice. Anything I'm saying here is not financial advice. It's just to help people, as I have learned along the way and found some things. And I think those to be facts, and those facts can deliver the truth to us. So listen, in my opinion, dollar cost averaging is important, and you can do that in crypto. But at the same time, you can buy as it goes up. I woke up at 3:30 a.m. this morning. We're going out of town for just 2 nights and back, the whole family, and just to Lake Country. And for a moment, I said to myself, what do I do? I looked at XRP, was at $2.95. I'm like, I'll just buy a few. The other day, I bought at $3 I bought like $40 worth. Yes. It is true, my average cost is going up. My average price is going up. But because I understand the asset, because I know what I'm investing in, it doesn't really matter. If a businessman or woman goes down to Manhattan now and they buy an old decrepit building that has like 20 floors on it or 50 floors, and that building is about 100 years old, and it's historic, it's everything, but they were able to negotiate a sale price for it, and they bought it at, say, maybe $60 million. Somebody will say, what a stupid investment, because what their head is stuck on 60 million, 50 million. It's too much. It's too much. Now, I'm just making a general example. I don't know the values of Manhattan real estate, but I'm saying the individual now purchases it, or the group or company or developer. They already did that because they know they're going to get $500 million. First of all, they're going to build either a hotel or an apartment block there, or an apartment block that, luxury apartment that people come in briefly and stay at. It can be mixed use. It can have restaurants on the ground floor, second floor, third floor, and then have other amenities, a gym. Mixed use, all kinds of design. What was not there 100 years ago? 100 years ago, they built a building that was 50 stories high, and it was just a nice thing. Everybody looked like, oh, what a wonderful building. But now it's 2025, somebody has a different vision, and he takes that same piece of land and he destroys the 50-unit building, pays 60 million for it. Everybody thinks these people are crazy. Now, the family who owned the property, the third generation is now enjoying their $60 million. Wow, they are so excited. They pay their taxes. They are rich. They become members of maybe Mar-a-Lago or one of those, golf clubs, whatever, right? And they're enjoying themselves, traveling on private flights. Okay, but this developer comes there, and from day one, he already sees how much he makes. You see, when I buy XRP at $3 or at $2.75, it doesn't really matter to me because I already see a 500 XRP. I see a 750 XRP, and I have the principle of having bags. What do I mean? In my first book, I describe having 3 to 4 bags. So one bag I bought maybe some years ago at 30 cents, another bag I bought at 50 cents, another bag I bought, and I have all those bags. My average maybe is at maybe 45 or 35 or whatever cents. I don't care. I really don't bother myself about the average because we are not talking stocks. We're not. We're talking a new technology, and we've studied it. And see, we could be wrong. It's like Moses leading the children of Israel to the promised land. He could be wrong. But what made him continue to say, we are going somewhere? You guys cannot see it. You are always whining. You are always complaining. It's because I see what you do not see. Trust me for once. They say, why can't we trust you, Moses? Look, I did this. I did this. Look at the miracles. Look at all those things. And in the same way, we can look back. Yes, this may not be a miracle, but let's look back and look at the particular cryptos we were talking about in the ISO family. All of these particular cryptos, you see them the way they go up and they come down, the way they go up and they come down. But the narrative under them is that they are not going to behave like other cryptos. They have a program. There is a plan. There is a design. They are meant to do something, and their time is coming. Have you ever seen where a hotel is being built and there are 200 rooms in that hotel? Listen, that hotel cannot earn $1,000 a night per room, making it $200,000 per night per room when it's at full capacity, when there are stadiums being filled up in the city because of hockey games or football games or basketball games or whatever games. In the season, in the high season, you are guaranteed at least $200,000 per night if there's no discounts on those rooms. Why? Because that's the design. That's where it ought to go. But while it is being built, I'm sorry, even the owner of the property, even the owners of the hotel, when they arrive, they have to sleep in another hotel, or they sleep in the cabin, or in those are porter cabins that are moved around, for construction purposes. Do you see what I'm saying? It may be a luxurious one. It may be the one that is made for the managing director, CEO, president kind of person. But they stay there. They put on hard hats and they come and look. They go from one room to the other, and then they make a decision. Change this, do that. It will not give you $200,000 per night, $150 per night, under capacity at 75%. It will not deliver that until it is complete. Friends, we are rounding the corner of a completion of a gargantuan plan of something that has been in the works. There are different video channels out there that have shared things that have been planned for a long time. And now we are approaching a crescendo. We are approaching a place. November 25 is a date. Now, listen, don't sit down there and they say, okay, November 25, don't go and take a loan because of November 25, you are now going to have so much money. No, it may not happen that way, because these things happen, it's a flow. Whenever, a dam is opened, what do you see? The first amount of water that comes out is not all of it, it's some of it, and then more of it, and then more of it, until the channel gets to a full capacity. If you watch that movie, that was released in 2023, Elemental, go back and watch it. I'm actually going to watch it with my wife again and then make notes, because the first time it was out, it wasn't very clear. That movie was all about plumbing, and it was all about, in fact, the star of the movie is Wade Ripple and a guy and a girl, Wade Ripple and Embalumen, which is XRP and XLM. Can you imagine? Wade Ripple is the name of the star of the movie, and the co-star is Embalumen. Oh my God. If they're not telling you everything in that movie, I don't know what else. So go look for Elemental and watch it. Well, that's all I have for you today. God bless you. If you are looking to come to Canada, the cross-border Canada crypto immersion retreat, this is the time you've got to register. Send me an email. I'll give you all the details, and you can buy your ticket. The earlier you buy your ticket, the cheaper it is for you. We're going into Lake Country, September 11th to 14th. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for crypto coaching, you are just starting out, you need to learn, you need to understand what it's all about, send me an email, or just just register. In my description, you will find the course. It's all there, and you can register, and we will help you out in just about an hour to help you. If you already have assets, you don't know how to move them, I mean, like you're not sure what to do, talk to us. We're here to help you. Well, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.